It's funny how we take mirrors for granted. We pass them every day, in the bathroom, in the hallway, in shop windows, in the black glass of our phones. We rely on them to show us who we are, as if a piece of silvered glass could ever tell the truth. For most of my life, I never questioned what I saw. My reflection was just me, simple, reliable, familiar. But sometimes, something so ordinary can turn on you, can twist into something unrecognizable. That's when everything you thought you knew shatters. It began so subtly, I almost missed it. Late at night, brushing my teeth in the drowsy comfort of routine, I caught a flicker in the mirror. My reflection blinked, but my own eyes stayed wide open. It was a split second, a trick of the light, I told myself. Maybe I was tired, maybe my mind was playing games. But doubt crept in. After that, I started watching more closely. I would stare, willing myself to catch another mistake. Sometimes nothing would happen, and I'd laugh at my own paranoia. But other nights, it was obvious. My reflection would smile at me when my face was slack and tired. Sometimes its head would tilt, curious, when I was still as stone. Once I saw its lips move in a whisper I couldn't hear, an echo of a voice I didn't want to know. I tried to ignore it, stick to my routines, but the ordinary things began to slip. My phone would light up, unprompted, the camera app opening to show me my own face. I'd catch glimpses of myself, always a little off, always a moment too late or too early. Waking up in the night, I'd find the mirrors in my apartment fogged over, as if someone else had stood there, breathing slowly, steadily, leaving behind cold, ghostly evidence. But I live alone. Thursday night, everything changed. I was in the bathroom, lights off, the moon spilling silver shadows across the floor. I leaned in, close to the mirror, telling myself it was all in my head. That's when it happened. My reflection stepped forward, out of time with me, a glitch in reality that made my skin crawl. It didn't break the glass or ripple the surface. It simply moved, as if the rules no longer mattered. Its grin was wrong, too wide, too knowing. And then it whispered, voice chill and close, "You're the reflection now." I must have blacked out. The next thing I knew, I was standing in the hallway outside the bathroom, heart pounding. When I looked back, the mirror was empty. No reflection. It was as if I'd been erased, as if I no longer belonged on this side of the glass. Now, every mirror I pass shows a version of me that isn't quite right. He wears my face, my clothes, my tired eyes. He moves like me, but I know, deep down, that he's not me. Sometimes when I turn away, I can feel his gaze following me, can sense that he's waiting, watching. I avoid mirrors now. I avert my eyes from windows, from the cold glass of my phone. Because if I look too long, I'm afraid he'll realize I'm still here, trapped in the space between who I am and who I appear to be. And if he knows I'm watching, I don't think he'll let me go. This is more than superstition. It's the fear that the world only sees a mask, that the real you is lost somewhere, trapped behind glass. We all have shadows, darker selves lurking just out of sight, waiting for a moment of weakness. Sometimes when the line blurs, it's hard to know which side of the mirror you belong on.